Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to Tuto. Today in this quick video we will discuss on virtual machine and how to download and install VMware WORKSTATION Player, which is also a virtual machine. So let's get into it. A computer is basically made of hardware like processor, motherboard, RAM, hard disks, etc. But for a regular guy like you and me can't use those hardware for our daily life. So we need software that can control or operate those hardware. And those software are called operating system. Now if we need to test a different kind of operating system or an application and so many other reasons, we need a special kind of software that can allow us to use one or multiple operating system at the same time, and those special kind of software are called virtual machine. Now we dive into one of the most successful virtual machine software, and that is VMware WORKSTATION Player. So let's start.
First, go to google.com and search for VMware. Click on this first link. From the left side, click on download. Now, from the free product download, click on WORKSTATION Player. Two download options are available, one for Linux and another for Windows. Both of them made for 64-bit operating system. Click on download and save. So this is the saved file. Double click on it to start installation. Click on next. Check the I accept and next. Again next. 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 And finish. Now open this VMware, and this is the interface. By creating new virtual machine, you can install different operating system on this workstation. And we will learn how to install Ubuntu and other open source operating systems in the coming video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.